mover. F is for earth mover. G is for grader. G is for grader. H is for whole truck. H is for whole truck. I is for ice resurfacer. I is for ice resurfacer. J is for jet loader. J is for jet loader. K is for knuckle boom loader. K is for knuckle boom loader. L is for loader. L is for loader. M is for mixer truck. M is for mixer truck. M is for mixer truck. N is for narrow excavator. N is for narrow excavator. O is for oil tanker. O is for oil tanker. P is for pile driver. P is for pile driver. Q is for quarry truck. Q is for quarry truck. R is for road roller. R is for road roller. S is for scrapper. S is for scrapper. T is for telehandler. T is for telehandler. U is for utility truck. U is for utility truck. V is for vacuum truck. V is for vacuum truck. V is for vacuum truck. W is for water tanker. W